What's the meaning of checkers? Checkers. Checkers.
Checkers. Checkers. Chequers is the name of a country house in Buckinghamshire, England, which serves as the official country residence of the serving Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. The name Chequers refers to the checkerboard pattern of the estate's farmland. Built in the 16th century, it has been owned by the government since 1917, and has hosted many international conferences and meetings. Most notably, in July 2018, the Chequers Agreement was reached at the residence by the UK government, outlining the country's approach to Brexit negotiations with the European Union.